Welcome. I'm the ARKlady Diana Guerrero, and this is Things to Do Monterey, where you'll find answers to the best things to do when you visit the Central Coast of California. So maybe you're wondering what I mean by the Central Coast of California. In this case, I'm talking about the locations such as Monterey, Pacific Grove, Pebble Beach, and Carmel by the Sea. Of course, there's a lot of other cities. My biggest tip for you is to make sure, if it's your first visit, or maybe you're just coming back for a second time and haven't done it, but schedule a 4-hour tour with a professional tour guide. It will give you the best overview of what you need to focus on seeing to make the most of your visits. In general, this kind of tour will start at the Fisherman's Wharf, go through the infamous Cannery Row, into Pacific Grove, known for its Victorian homes, through Pebble Beach, known for world-class golfing and stunning scenery, and then into the quaint village of Carmel by the Sea. Quirky and cozy, you'll have some of the best beach views there. So that's my tip for today. And one last thing, now that I have your attention, be sure to visit thingstodomonterey.com for additional tips and hints. And don't miss a session. Be sure to subscribe.